sir.
Yeah, the most important questions that are which we are written here. And then one more thing, at the today also, I'm going to be sent the PDF. What we are going to be discussing today. Then please keep it with you. Why? Because of we have 4 types of data structures are there. One, it is for list, tuple, set, as well as the dictionary. Among these 4 terminals, one question will be there in external examination as well as internal. Internal అయితే రెండు ఉంటాయి బాబు, external అయితే maximum will be get one question. Okay, please read very carefully. Okay, now see, we will see the dictionary. No need to write. I will send the document also for this one also. Later we can write. Now please listen carefully. Here today topic which we are going to be discussing means dictionary. Here it is similar to the list as well as the tuple as well as the set. That means why I am says that similar means same thing. It is for the grouping of elements. This for grouping of the elements by key value with respect to the value. Key with respect to the value. Just wait one second. See here. Previously, we're writing here A is equal to, please see once here. A is equal to, if it is a list means I can write like this 1, 2, 3. It is for list. Now B is equal to, if it is tuple means what is the shape you are going to be using for tuple?
Rounded brackets.
For rounded bracket, I will continue the numbers 4, 5, 6. This is for tuple. Where for the set means which bracket?
Flower brackets.
Flower brackets 7, 8, 9. These are the 3 terminals. Like this we are going to be writing here, and then we are going to be print out our requirements as whatever we require. We are going to be print like this here. Here the dictionary also is similar to the particular, the list as well as the tuple. But the difference, what is the difference we are going to be observed means, here for giving the any value, that means any value must and should, we need to give a one key for that one. We need to give a one key for that one. Okay, key lo value anedi save avutundi. For example, how many elements are there here? Please see the first A. How many elements are there?
3, sir.
3 elements are there. It is stored in our A. Now see here, I will write a one set. I will write a one dictionary now. A is equal to, we are going to be using here curly brackets only, floor brackets only. Here also we are using the curly brackets for creation of your terminal. Now see here, 1 is to 10. 1 is to 10, 2 is to 20, 3 is to 30. Now, can anyone say how many elements are there here? How many elements are there?
3, sir.
We can print that one also. Print of A. Please see here. Print of A. Run it. 1 is the key. 10 is going to be considered as a value. If we are going to be find out the length here means we can write here print of the print of A. Run it. Sorry, print the length of A. Sorry, length of A. Then of A. Run it. Now see here. What is the length now? 3. Actually, how many values I declared here? See once here. For seeing purpose, we can say that it is going to be considered as a 6 values. But it is not 6 values. It is for 3. It will be contains, one will be key, one will be the key, another will be the value. One will be the key, another thing is going to be considered as a value. అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం ఇచ్చేది కీ అవుతుంది, సెకండ్ ఇచ్చేది ఏమవుతున్నామంటే వాల్యూ అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి రైట్ ది స్ట్రింగ్స్ రాయాలనుకోండి, యూ కెన్ రైట్ స్ట్రింగ్స్ ఆల్సో. ఫోర్ బ్రాకెట్ రైట్ ది స్ట్రింగ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, నెంబర్ 1, see here, number 1 is to, I'll write the name here, that is for make, comma. Now see here, number 2, Number 2 is to MR set, and then we can write the numbers also. If you require, we can write the numbers. 3 is to 25, comma 4 is to 56. Now see here, when I'm going to print B, the print of print of B, run it. Now see here, if you are going to find out the length, may I know what is the length now?
4, sir.
Length of B is equal to, run it, it is for 4. Then what is the difference you observed from remaining terminals? పైన ఉన్న దానికి కింద ఉన్న దానికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమో అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారు? ప్లీజ్ చెప్పండి బాబు, ఏం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం? వాట్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్ we are going to be observe here from top and bottom? Hello, tell me, what is the difference you observed? See here, in previous one, we does not going to be contains key. పై దాంట్లో లిస్ట్ టపుల్ సెట్ లో కీ వాల్యూస్ ఉండవు మనకు. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే కీ ఉంటుంది, కీ ఇకపోతే ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి కన్సిడర్ యాజ్ ఎ సెట్ కన్వర్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ వి నీడ్ టు గోయింగ్ టు బి రైట్ యువర్ కీ. ఓకే, key and value is going to be separated by colon. Key and value దేనితో సెపరేట్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే which is going to be separated by colon తో సెపరేట్ చేస్తాం. are going to be separated with respect to the colon and then the key value is going to be separated by commas. The key value is going to be separated by,
yes sir.
Here one more thing here duplicates are allowed. Duplicate allow చేస్తుంది, but values are allowed but not keys. అంటే keys ముందు రాస్తాం కదా, the keys does not going to be accept the duplicate, but we can write values as a duplicate. For example, see once here the same example I'm going to be considering here. See here, 1 is equal to 10, 2 is equal to 10, then 3 is equal to 10. I write in the 3 values here. 1 is to 10, that means 1 value is going to be stored 10 value, 2 is going to be stored 10 value, 3 is going to be stored 10 value. Run it, it is going to be stored, but see here, if you write this are keys are duplicate, keys in duplicate రాస్తారు అనుకోండి, it shows a error. See here, 1 is to 10, jump 2 వెళ్ళిపోయింది చూడు. Duplicates can be not, that means duplicates keys are not going to be allowed. Duplicates keys ని allow చేయదు. For example, I write here 1 is to 20. Now run it here. Now see here, 10 is jump. Okay, don't forget here, duplicate keys are not allowed. Duplicate values can be allowed here. Duplicate values can be allowed here. Now is this okay?
Yes sir.
Now one second, second. One second, please. One second, please. One second, please. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Now it is okay. Now see here. See the definition point of view. Dictionary means a dictionary represents the group of elements. Dictionary represents the group of elements in the form of key value pairs. The form of key value pairs. The first element is considered as a first element name on number and the first element is going to be considered as a key. The first element is going to be considered as a key, and the next and the immediate next element is going to be taken as a value. Next వచ్చేదాన్ని ఏమంటున్నామంటే value అంటాం. And then the key value, the key as well as the value is going to be separated by key ni value దేంతో separate చేస్తాం బాబు?
Colon, sir.
We are going to be separated here. The key and its value is going to be separated by colon. All key value pairs రెండింటిని దేంతో separate చేస్తాం? నెక్స్ట్ key value రాయాలంటే చూడండి, కీని వాల్యూని కోలన్ తో సెపరేట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. And then for writing the second element రాయాలంటే దేంతో సెపరేట్ చేస్తాము?
Comma, sir.
All key values are going to be inserted into the cover brackets here. For writing the next element, sorry, otherwise the elements are separated by separated by commas. Separated by comma. Curly brackets తీసుకుంటాం. First element, second element దేంతో separate చేస్తున్నాం అంటే we are going to be separated by with respect to the commas here. Let's see here how I am going to be created the particular dictionary. Here two methods are there for creation of a empty dictionary. See here, first one, I'll write here the creation of empty dictionary. Now see here how I am going to be clear. Two methods are there. Let's see the first method. D is equal, for example, A is equal to curly brackets. That's all. Empty then babu. This is for one method. How I am going to be creating, see here. A is equal to curly brackets. This is for one method. Another method is there. Or otherwise I will write here slash or. Another method we can write here. Another method that is for B is equal to dict, D-I-T, dict of normal brackets, rounded brackets. Now see here, in order to know the type, now I'm going to be print here the print the type of A, the same thing, print the type of B, print type of A as well as the type of B. Now run it. Now see here, both classes will be the dictionary. You can write like this, both classes will be the dictionary. This is for the creation of a empty dictionary. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Now see here, I'm going to be creating a one dictionary for student details. See here, that means different data types will be there. I will write here creation of dictionary with the different data types. That means all will be there with the different data types. Now see here, I'm going to be creating one dictionary that is for D is equal to curly brackets open, first number for your purpose, that is for hall ticket number HT number, hall ticket number for our recognition purpose. HT number, HT number colon, HT number colon. See here, బాబు ఈ హెచ్డి నెంబర్ లోపల కోలన్ ఇచ్చిన సపరేట్ దానికోసం ఇండెక్స్ కోసం ఇచ్చాను కోలన్ రైట్ యువర్ రోల్ నెంబర్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ రోల్ నెంబర్ that is for 310 for example 310 is the roll number that is for all ticket number is okay. Next thing I need to going to be write the name here. Name babu ni pere em pe babu 310 what's your name
Sir, Sujit sir.
em per babu
Sujit sir.
Sujit. Now see here Sujit. I'll write the name Sujit. That is for a name. And then take thing third one I'm going to be consider the see here I forgot here it is a colon. Colon. See here name Sujit. Now see here next one that is for branch. Single quoted right here. Why I'm going to be give the single quoted means it is a string kabatti single quoted istunna. Branch we'll write the branch that is for neck. Okay, next one I will be going to be consider the age of the person. For example yes that is for colon and write down the age is a integer, no need to keep into the colon here. For example that is for 70. And this is the program which you are writing here with respect to the different data types. Now here print this one, the print of, now I'm going to be printing here the print of D. Now run it. Now see here all ticket number will be the 310 and then name will be the Sujit and then branch will be the make and then age will be the 70. Here please see here accessing of elements. How I am going to be access the elements in our dictionary. Previous దాంట్లో ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే D of 1 D of 2 D of 3 D of 4 అని ఇస్తే మనకు కావాల్సిన ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. Here it is different. Here it is different. Now please see here accessing the element. Now see here accessing the elements in dictionary. Sir babu ఇది ఓకేనా all data types ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలని? Is it clear for you? Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Data types clear అయినా బాబు? Shall we move to the how to access the elements in the direct dictionary? Now see here same thing I'm going to be console here. ఇదే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కన్సోల్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను. Now see here I need to going to be access the name. నాకు ఓన్లీ నేమ్ ప్రింట్ కావాలి. That means second element I need to going to be print. Then what I'm going to be do means see here print of D of in previous one what we are going to be given means we are going to be given the index value. ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే ఇండెక్స్ వాల్యూ ఇస్తున్నాం. It's clear? పోయినసారి ఏం చేస్తున్నాం బాబు? For getting the value we are going to given the index value. But here we does not going to be give the index value here. You need to going to be pass the key. Name key, sorry, Sujit, second element key emundi babu chudandi. What is the key for second element?
Name, sir.
Right here, name. I need to going to be print D dot of name, and then I will be print on one more thing. It is for yes. Print of D of yes. These are the two terminals I need to going to be print here. Please keep it in the single quoted. This is thing. Okay. Now see here. Now print this one. Print name. Sorry, name colon it is. I will write name colon. It also is colon. Now run it. Now see here. The name is going to be considered as a Sujit. Then age is going to be considered as a 70. Like this, we are going to be calling the particular elements in your dictionary. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see here. One more thing. I'm going to be considering here. One more thing example. That means how I am going to be update the values in your dictionary. dictionary లో values ఎలా update చేస్తాం? For example, I have already context of value, or otherwise how to add the values to the dictionary. For example, consider here. Update the values. Update the elements in dictionary. See here. Now I'm going to be consider a is equal to, I will write your names only. A is equal to, now see here, curly brackets open. Now roll number 301. What's your name? 301.
Nitin sir. Nitin sir.
Nitin. Nitin. Comma here. 302. What's your name? Roll number 302. 302. I think he's there or not? Roll number 302. Sir, leave it. 303. Wow, 302 name em babu?
Venkatesh.
Venkatesh, sir.
Venkatesh.
Venkatesha.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll consider the one more number. That is for 332. May I know who is 330 roll name please? 332. What's your name?
Shivasai.
Huh? Yendu babu?
Shivasai, sir.
Shiva Sai. Shiva Sai. Now see here. These are the three elements which we have presently. Now please sir. This is the elements. Now I need to going to be add the one more number. Now see here, in order to add this one, a of, write your key value. Don't use the duplicate. Duplicate keys value se use check. We need to use the new keywords. That means 3010, for example, 3010. Now see here, we'll write here 3010 is equal to a 3010 is equal to, I'm going to be write the value here. For example, it is for Sujit. Now see here. The print of a. Run it. Now see here. 301 Nitin, 302 Venkatesh, 332 Shivasai, 310 will be the Sujit. Automatically, when you are going to be called like this, the values is going to be inserted into your terminal. Okay, where it is inserted means at last. Don't forget, at last. Okay. Is it okay for you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
మీకు ఏ వాల్యూ కావాలంటే ఆ వాల్యూ ప్రింట్ కూడా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ నీడ్ టు గోయింగ్ టు బి ప్రింట్ 301. ఓన్లీ 301 ని రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటున్నాం అనుకోండి. ఏ ఆఫ్ 301 ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి రీప్లేస్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ది అనదర్ నేమ్ తో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తుంది. A shortcut for example, I'm going to be considered here Sai. Nitin is going to be replaced with respect to the Sai. Now see here. The print of A. Now previously it is for Nitin. It is going to be replaced with respect to Sai. Now see here. That one will be the Sai, Venkatesh, Shiva Sai, and that's it. Like this, we can replace as well as we can update as well as we can add the value. Add at last here, update the values. Update. Is it clear how I am going to be update the values?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If in order to delete the values, for example, for example, I need to going to be delete the 301. For example, I need to going to be delete the 301. 301 ni delete cheyali anukuntunanu. Then what I am going to do means simply as usual. Papa Lopal Rama. See here. I will keep the heading. That's one. Delete the elements in the dictionary. For example, I need to going to be delete. I will call the same names. Here. Now I need to going to be delete the 301. Another 302 delete చేయాలనుకోండి. Simply I need to going to be delete 302. Now see here, write here del delete key del a r. ఏది delete చేయాలని చెప్పాను బాబు?
301, sir.
For example 301. What is the key value?
301, sir.
Write here 301. Now write here the print of a. Print of a. Now run it. Now see here 301 is deleted. 301 is deleted. 301 is deleted. Okay, this is for a delete element. This is for delete element. Now if you want to going to be clear all the elements from your dictionary, clear all the elements, delete all elements, delete all elements in the dictionary. మొత్తం అన్ని delete చేయాలనుకోండి. Now please write it here. I'm going to be considering this one once again. Copy. Now see here, in order to clear, delete is nothing but clear చేస్తున్నాను. In order to clear this one, what I'm going to be doing means a dot of clear. A dot of clear. Now the print of a. Print of a. Run it. See here, all elements within your dictionary is going to be clear. All elements within your dictionary is going to be clear. Now, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Shall I move to the functions? Here, Babu, don't forget here. Sir, only del betti d betti sarvothunga sir ikkada chudandi. Instead of a, if I keep it here, for example, instead of a, I will simply key here, for example. మొత్తం అన్ని delete చేసేదానికి ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే del of a అని పెట్టేస్తాను సార్, తర్వాత delete అవుతుంది అంటే it's not deleted. See here, it will be thrown in error. It will be throw a error for us. Thrown a error. Don't forget. Okay, next one, we'll see the what are the important functions. That means what are the important methods are there in your dictionary. Yeah. Any doubts up to here? Please see once here. Okay, sir. Mali chuskonda. Any doubts up to here? Please see once here. Please tell me. If you do not have doubts, I can move. Or otherwise, if you have doubts, I will just take here. Please. Yeah, shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, please. Any doubt? No doubts up to here, I think.
Sir, డిక్షనరీలో డబుల్ కాలన్
డిక్షనరీలో
డబుల్ కాలన్ సార్, ఆడ కీ కాలన్ సార్, వాల్యూ కూడా కాలన్ సార్. మీద
దేనికి బాబు? ఇక్కడ బాబు ఇదా?
మీద సార్, డేటా టైప్స్.
డేటా టైప్స్ ఇదా? ఇక్కడ నేను నేమ్ కోసం అని పెట్టుకున్నాను అంతే. హాల్ టికెట్ నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా, ఊరికే అలా పెట్టుకున్నాను అంతే. చూపించి నీట్గా ఉంటుందని చెప్పి చూపించడానికి పెట్టాను. If you want to remove, no problem, we can remove it. If you want to, I will remove it and then run it once again. See here. This for branch. I think this is for the X. Now run it. Here also we need to remove. Now run it. Now see here. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
స్ట్రింగ్స్ కాబట్టి స్ట్రింగ్స్ వచ్చి డబుల్ సింగిల్ కోట్ లో ఉన్న పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, డబుల్ కోట్ లో ఉన్న పెట్టచ్చు. Now see the next one, I will write here. That is for the next one will be the important functions. Important functions or methods in dictionary. In dictionary. In dictionary. We are going to be see here what are the important methods over there in your the dictionary. Okay, we can see here. Here, first I will write the names which are there for us. Later we can see one by one. Okay, first names Rasan Babu. Later we can see one by one. Okay, please see once here. Just wait. I will write the particular the types here first. Okay, see the types here once. That is for the first one will be the len. General meaning. Len enduku vaadtam babu? What is it? Why we are going to be use the len method?
Find the length of the
For finding the find the length. For finding the length. Good. Then second method, clear. Clear enduku vaadtam? Clear. To delete all the elements or to clear all the elements from dictionary. From dictionary. Dictionary lo unna elements anniti em chestundante clear chestundi from dictionary. And then next method, get. Here, get. Here get is nothing but in order to get your key value as well as your value ni key ni రెండిటిని తెచ్చుకునే దాని కోసం we are going to be use this one get method. Okay, we'll see whenever I am saying the example, then you get to understand. To get the value associated with keys, with the keys. అంటే get అంటే ఏం చెప్పారు? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ d డాట్ get 200 అని పెట్టాను అనుకోండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ d డాట్ get 200 అని పెట్టాము అనుకోండి. 200 లో ఏ పేరు అయితే ఉందో ఆ పేరు బయటకు వస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ a డాట్ get ఆఫ్ 301 అని పెట్టాను అనుకోండి. 301 లో ఏం నేమ్ ఉంది? నితిన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి నితిన్ ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. That's for getting the values as well as for getting the key values purpose, we are going to be use this one. Now the next method, that is for pop. Yeah, generally what is the meaning of pop? ఇంత ముందు ఏం వాడుతా ఉన్నాం? pop ఎందుకు వాడుతున్నా?
to remove the
elements.
To remove the
element in last element, sir.
To remove the last elements. Here what will be happens means it removes the key, whatever the thing we are going to be saying, మనం ఏదైతే చెప్పామో అది మాత్రమే delete చేస్తుంది. Whatever the thing we are going to be says that it will be remove that one value only. Okay, it removes the key, sorry, the entry associated with the specified key, and returns the corresponding value, Student, that means it removes the entity also. For example, if I am going to be considered here d dot pop off 100, for example, I am saying that d dot pop off 100, sorry, 301, then what will be happens means this value will be terminated. అంటే 301 ని delete చేసేసి ఉంటుంది. then it is going to be available from 302 నుంచి ఉంటుంది. That is for pop. The next one is there, pop item. Here depending upon your key value, అంటే previous one ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే మనం ఏదైతే కావాలో అది మాత్రమే డిలీట్ చేసుకుంటూ వచ్చేస్తుంది అని చెప్పాం. దట్ మీన్స్ మనం ఏ వాల్యూ ఇస్తే ఆ వాల్యూని డిలీట్ చేస్తుంది. But when I'm going to be considering here, pop item means పాప్ item అంటే ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఇట్ రిమూవ్స్ ది లాస్ట్ ఆర్బిటరీ వాల్యూ, లాస్ట్ వాల్యూని రిమూవ్ చేస్తుంది. ఇట్ రిమూవ్స్ లాస్ట్ వాల్యూ. It removes last value. It removes the last value. Last value ni remove చేస్తుంది. That is for pop item. Now, next one it is for keys. Next one it is for key methods. Next one method for keys. That means keys అంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే మనకి తెలియదు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 301 is written a program రాసి ఇచ్చాడు ఉంటాడు. 302 does not know. వాడికి తెలియదు ఎన్ని కీస్ వాడు ఇచ్చినారో తెలియదు. రోల్ నెంబర్ ప్రకారం నేమ్స్ రాసుకుంటూ వచ్చాం బాబు. ఐ డస్ నాట్ నో హౌ మెనీ రోల్ నెంబర్స్ దే ఆర్ గివెన్ ఫర్ అస్ అప్ టు నౌ. ఎన్ని రోల్ నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చినాడో నాకు తెలియదు. అది తెలియాలంటే కీస్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి. ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు నో ద కీస్ తెలియాలంటే యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ద కీస్ హియర్. ఓకే, దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ రిటర్న్స్ ఆల్ కీస్ associated with డిక్షనరీలో ఎన్ని కీస్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో అన్ని కీస్ అయితే బయటకు వచ్చేస్తాయి. అదే నెక్స్ట్ వన్ విల్ బి ది వాల్యూస్. దట్ మీన్స్ వాల్యూస్ అన్నప్పుడు ఇంతకుముందు ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే కీస్ బయటకు తీస్తా ఉన్నాం. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఇట్ రిటర్న్స్ ది ఆల్ ది వాల్యూస్ అసోసియేటెడ్ ఇన్ ది డిక్షనరీలో ఏ వాల్యూస్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో ఆ వాల్యూస్ అన్నిటిని బయటకు తీస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ values. The next one will be your copy. Copy means to copy that means to create the duplicate of your dictionary. To create the duplicate of your dictionary. Duplicate of your dictionary. These are some of the important methods which are going to be used in your terminals. Ivi manam maximum use chese keys babu. Okay, now we can see one by one how it is going to be work. Now please see once again babu. Length is used for finding the length of the terminal. Clear is going to be used for to clear all the elements from your the dictionary. Get is nothing but in order to get the value which is going to be associated with respect to the key ki ఏ వాల్యూ అసోసియేట్ అయ్యిందో ఆ వాల్యూని తెచ్చుకునే దానికి get ని వాడతాం. And then pop is nothing but here no remove is there. Pop is nothing but to remove the value from your dictionary. Here pop item means it is going to be remove the last value from your the dictionary. The keys is nothing but in order to get how many number of keys are there in your dictionary will be get here. And the next one values is nothing but how many values are there in your dictionary will be get with the help of values. And then the next one will be the copy. In order to copy the values from one dictionary to the another dictionary. Now we will be see one by one. Now we'll be see one by one. See the first one. That is for length. Method. Now please see once here. I have the dictionary. This is my dictionary. J. This is my dictionary. I need to know the length of this one. Can anyone tell I to find out the length?
Print of
The print of
len of a.
That's all. In order to get your length list. That means run it. See here, that is for length one. First one is clear. Now see here, second method. It is clear. Second method will be the clear. That means in order to delete all the elements in your dictionary. For example, this is my dictionary. Now I need to going to be clear all the elements. Then say the code for this one.
A dot clear.
Print of
Clear of a.
A dot
dot
clear.
clear.
A dot clear. A dot clear. Brackets open, brackets close. Run it. Now see here, none. All values are going to be clear. Or otherwise. Sorry, ఇక్కడ మాకు నన్ను వస్తుంది సార్. క్లియర్ అయినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుందా అంటే ఫ్లోర్ బ్రాకెట్ ప్రింట్ కావాలి. ఇక్కడ ప్రింట్ కాలేదు ఇప్పుడు. దట్ మీనింగ్ ఈస్ there is a mistake. That means first we need to write this one. ఇది రాసి తర్వాత ప్రింట్ చేద్దాం. Now see here. I'll write here. Now write here the print of a. Run it once again. Run it. Now see here. It is clear the all there. Don't forget. అప్పుడు దీని లోపల రాస్తే నన్ను అని పడితే ఎందుకు అంటే క్లియర్ కాలేదని. You need to clear like this. Now see the next method, that is for get. The most important method within this one, that is for get. How to get the particular the values here. Values ni ela get cheskunta. Here two methods are there for this one. Two methods are there for this one. How we are going to be the get here? Please see once here. Please see once here. The next method will be the get. See here. Here two methods are there. Here two methods are going to be associated here. One it is for get key, get of a key. That is for one method. I will write it here. This is for one method. That is for get key. Another method is there. Second method. That is for get of key comma default value. Key comma default value. Whatever value we require as a default terminal, we can write it here. మనకి ఏది డిఫాల్ట్ గా ఉండాలో దాన్ని డిఫాల్ట్ గా ప్రింట్ చేసేసుకుందాం. The default, if name is not there, it is going to be considered defaultly. It is going to be considered as the name. Default గా ఆ వాల్యూ నే తీసేసుకుంటూ ఉంటుంది. Okay, this is the terminal here. These are the two methods. Now we can see it here. We can write it here. First I will write here. For example, I will be considered. I will define another example. Now see here, d is equal to now floor brackets open, 100 is to, I'm going to be considered the names here. Oh, that is for that is for Durga is one name. Durga is one name. That is for 100. And then same thing, I'm going to be considered the 200 as a Ravi. 200 as a Ravi. Next 300 as a Shiva. These are the names which I am going to be considering in my dictionary. First term. First ila తీసుకున్నాను. Now see here. Next one. Now see here. I need to going to be print 100. 100 print చేయాలంటే ఎలా ప్రింట్ చేసుకుంటావు? దుర్గా అనే నేమ్ ని ప్రింట్ చేయాలి. Can anyone say how can I print this one? Durga అనే నేమ్ ని ప్రింట్ చేయాలి నేను. How can I print this one? I need to going to be print Durga. Can anyone tell me how can I print this one? Hello.
Yes, sir.
How can I print this one?
D of 100 is equal to Durga, sir.
Print of D of, tell me, D of 100. That's all.
Is equal to Durga.
మనం ఏం చేయాలి? దుర్గాని ఒకటే ప్రింట్ చేయాలనుకున్నాం. బాబు నేమ్ ఇవ్వాల్సి కీ ఇస్తే చాలు. If you give the key, it is going to be print. The print
of D of 100, sir.
Print of D of 100. Key value ఇస్తే చాలు. వాల్యూ ఇవ్వాల్సి పర్లేదు. కీ ఇస్తే చాలు. ఇది ఒకటి ఇస్తే చాలు. ఇది ఇవ్వాల్సి పర్లేదు. Now run it. Now see here, Durga is printed. Now I'm going to be use get key method. Key method వాడతాను చూడండి. Same method. R/R. Another method. The print of. I'm going to be considered here D dot get. Write your key value. Key value ఏముంది? 100. Now run it. Key value 100 ఉంది. I'm going to be run it. See here, run it. See here. A method రాసిన correct. D dot get. Don't forget here. When I'm going to be use the get dot key, if the key is available, key ఉండింది అనుకోండి, then it is going to be returns the corresponding value. దాని value print అవుతుంది. If it is not there, for example, I'm going to be considered the 400. Either 400 is there in your dictionary. 400.
No, sir. No, sir.
Then we'll be get the error. See here, none and display everything. If it is not there, it is going to be represented your null value ni print అయిపోతుంది. Okay, now see here, see the next one. This is for one method, get key method. Is it okay for you? Get key.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now please see the next method. I will see the other next method, that is for get key value as a key value comma definite value. Key value comma definite value. Now see here print off d dot get 100 comma, I will write here guest. I will write as a guest here. Please see once here. Please see carefully the printout. Guest and print icham. Now run it. Em print ayindi chudandi. 100 printed. Don't forget 100 picture. Durga ne printed. Now see here the print of d dot get of 400 comma, I will write here guest. Run it. Now see here, what is the difference you observe from these two lines? Please, ఈ రెండు లైన్ కోడ్ నుంచి ఏం డిఫరెన్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారు చూడండి ఒకసారి. ప్లీజ్ సీ వన్స్ హియర్, ఒకసారి చూడండి బాబు ఏం డిఫరెన్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారు. 100 లే చూడండి, ఇఫ్ ది వాల్యూ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్, వాల్యూ లేదురా అనుకోండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ in my D dictionary, in my D dictionary, I will be consist of, I define only 3 values. That is for 100, 200, 300 keys. Now what I am going to be doing, I am going to be give the new key. New key is going to be considered as a 400. 400 key name leda kada. Then what it is going to be doing is automatically it is going to be considered the guest as a value. Automatically it is going to be considered the guest as a value. Guest ni value ga consider chestom print chestam. That is for default value. Get key comma default value. Okay, is it clear this one? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the next method? That is for pop. See the next method. That is for the pop. Now see here, the same thing. I'm going to be consider the three names here. I'm going to be consider the three names. Now I need to going to be remove the first 100. That means 100 on the value is remove here. How can I remove this one? 100 on the value is remove here. 100 is equal to 100 keep out first control.
Print of pop of 100.
Print of, don't hear. Print of D. Don't forget the dictionary. D of pop of 100. Now once it is popped, now write it here. Print of D. Now print of D. Now see here. D dot pop. Em value ఉందంటే చూడండి. Em value ఉందంటే దుర్గా ఉంది. Now దుర్గా ఏం చేస్తుందంటే రిమూవ్ చేసేసారు. Remove చేసేసి then it is going to print your original value. Original print ని print చేస్తుంది. Then the original of 200 and 300. 100 అని print. మనకి ఏ వాల్యూ కావాలో that means whatever value we required we can remove it. మనకి ఏ వాల్యూ అయితే కావాలో ఆ వాల్యూ రిమూవ్ చేస్తాం. It is for pop. ఇక్కడ రిమూవ్ ఉండదు బాబు. Don't forget. ఇక్కడ రిమూవ్ ఉండదు. రిమూవ్ లేదు కాబట్టి పాప్ ఏ వాడతాం. Okay, next one is there. Pop item. Pop item అంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే it removes the last element from your dictionary నుంచి last element ని remove చేస్తుంది. This is the element. Now please see once here. Now I am going to be considering here print d dot pop item bracket open and then close. Now here now I am going to be printing over D. Print of your D dictionary finishes. Now see here it is going to remove the last element from your the terminal. Last element ni remove this. So here the element remove చేస్తున్నామని చూపించింది. Otherwise sir నాకు ప్రింట్ వద్దు సార్ ఊరికే డైరెక్ట్ అది కూడా చూపించిందంటే I don't know. No, run it. D dot pop item. Run it. Now see here, there is no treatment. 300 on the key area, it is going to be removed. Terminated from your distance. This is for difference between. May I know what is the difference between pop and then pop item now? Pop item difference about
Pop is used for the specified key, sir.
specified key. Where pop item is for?
It removes the last element from the dictionary, sir.
Good, excellent. The pop is going to be, or otherwise can I write here? The pop item remove the last item, last element. Here, pop remove the specified item. Specified item. That is for pop as well as the pop item. It's clear? Can I move to this one? Oh, next one, Gallama.
Yes, sir.
Now see this same example. Luma. Let's see the next one. That is for keys. Next one is for keys. Now, these are the dictionary which I defined here. I don't know how many keys are in the dictionary. Local any dictionary, any keys are not telling. I need to go into the gate. How many keys are there? How many keys are there in my dictionary? Any keys to define this? I don't know. Now see here, printer, print d dot keys, d dot keys. In the part in order to know the how many keys are there, what are the keys are already used. Now see here, a keys 100, 200, 300 keys. In this check cheyalanటే duplicate లేకుండా ఉండడానికి కోసం చెక్ చేస్తాం. If it is there means duplicate ఏం చేస్తానంటే values jump అవుతాయి. వాటి కోసం keys check చేసుకోవాలి. Okay, like this we are going to be check the keys. If you are going to be know the values కావాలని అనుకోండి same thing. Values. Now see here, same dictionary I took printed here. Now I am going to be printed the values. Print of d dot values bracket open then close. Now see here, previous అంటే ఏ keys వాడారో బయటకు వచ్చాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి ఏ వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయో బయటకు వస్తాయి. Now see here, what are the values means Durga, Ravi and then Shiva are the values which are associated with the particular the dictionary. The dictionary. Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, see the next one, that is for copy. See the next one, copy. In order to copy this set into the another one, for example, copy the variables into the another one. Now it is for D, for example. Now it is for your D here. I need to going to be copy the D into C, for example. C is equal to D dot copy. D dot copy. That means I'm going to be copy the particular values into C1 into the D1. Now see here, print C. D dot. Now see here, this is going to be copied. D on the values and this one is the copy. Okay. These are the method for it, or one more method is there, that is for items. For items out there, for items. It returns the list of tuples. List name is not the tuple converted. Returns a list of tuples. List of tuples represented by key values. Key value pairs. అంటే లిస్ట్ లో సారీ డిక్షనరీలో వాల్యూస్ అన్ని ప్రింట్ చేస్తాం చూడండి. Here this is the terminal. item. Now see, D is equal to 100, like this is what there. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be converting here. Now see here, how I'm going to be doing for k comma b. That means k comma b is nothing but key comma value. Key comma value involved. K and the key, b and the value. In terms, in the items. In the items. Okay? Key value. Then don't take the items from there. I'm going to be printing here. I'm going to be printing here. Colon, enter, colon, enter. Now see here. See here. The print of. First I need to going to print the k value. Comma. I need to require some specials here. You can account a single star. Space is valid. Starts as usual. And right here, comma, your value. Comma, your value. Run it. Now see here. 100 starts, 5 starts, Durga. 200 starts, Ravi. 300 starts. Like this, it is going to be appear for your multiple times. Then it is going to be appear for your multiple the times. Okay. These are the methods in your system. Any doubts up to here, please? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
All of you.
No,
Or
sir.
any repetition is required for you? Either repeat cheyala? Please ask me. Either repeat cheyamante repeat cheyanడి.
Sir, delete की pop के differences है
Delete key, pop key.
Pop key. Yes, sir.
Pop key is nothing but we are going to be specified the required element. మనకి ఏది కావాలో ఆ specified element మాత్రమే remove చేస్తాం. Whereas delete also we require the same thing. See here, we require the same thing. One more thing here. Delete names, pop line చేస్తున్నామంటే if it is value is not there, for example 400 ఇచ్చినాం అనుకోండి, 400 ఇచ్చినాం అనుకోండి, కీ ఎర్రర్ అని పడుతుంది. కీ ఎర్రర్ ఏం చేస్తున్నా, డిలీట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే వాల్యూ లేకపోయినా కూడా ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే మనకి ఏం చూపించదు, నన్ అని పడుతుంది. డిలీట్ లో నన్ అని పడుతుంది బాబు. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 100 200 300 పీసెస్ స్పెసిఫై చేస్తాం. ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి కన్సిడర్ 400 పెట్టాము ఓపెన్ చేస్తుందంటే నన్ అని పడుతుంది, నన్ అని పడుతుంది, ఎర్రర్ పడుతుంది, నన్ అని పడుతుంది. అదే పాప్ లైన్ చేస్తుందంటే ఎర్రర్ అని చూపిస్తుంది, కీ ఎర్రర్ అని చూపిస్తుంది. అదే డిఫరెన్స్, గేమ్ లేదు. Or sometimes depending upon version, or sometimes the both will be the same. Maximum both will be the same. Pop to delete రెండు ఒకటే. Sometimes only it is going to be changed.
Okay, sir.
Other than that, any doubts, please? Yeah, tell me, yeah. Other than that, any doubts?
No doubt, sir. No doubt, sir.
With this, the first thing is completed. The first thing is completed. From the next class onwards, I will going to start the second unit. From tomorrow, I think we have 2 hours time now. 2 hours is enough for us. Second unit maximum I will complete in the 2 hours. Only simple topic it is. Already one topic is completed. That is for variables are completed. I think variables I already changed for it. Variables చెప్పాను కదా ఒకసారి ఫస్ట్ లో చెప్పాను చూడండి. వేరియబుల్స్ చూడండి ఒకసారి నోట్బుక్ ఎందుకు చూడండి. వేరియబుల్స్, గ్లోబల్ వేరియబుల్, లోకల్ వేరియబుల్, గ్లోబల్ కీవర్డ్ అని చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
That's it. Only one topic is there. It is the second unit. That is for operator. Maximum I will complete it for tomorrow. Okay, I will forward this as a PDF for you. Please copy it over in note. Okay, these are very important. Once again says that because అదే పని రాసి మరీ పంపిస్తున్నాను బాబు. డిజిటల్ నోట్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఇది రాసి చేస్తున్నాను. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can leave, sir. I'll reply more.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, sir.
సార్ సార్ మీరు ఫైల్ షేర్ చేస్తాను, స్టూడెంట్స్ షేర్ చేయండి సార్.